Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now. Locate the nearest Aadhar enrollment or update center and go there with your original Aadhar and a photocopy. Bring one valid photo ID like PAN or passport so you can prove identity. Make sure your current mobile is with you because the operator may need to verify via OTP. Once you reach the center, tell the clerk you want to update the mobile number on Aadhar and ask for the Aadhar update/correction form. Fill it legibly and sign where required. Hand the filled form to the operator and double-check the new mobile number you entered. Small typos cause delays. Next, you will provide biometric authentication, fingerprint or iris, so the center can verify your identity. This is why originals are mandatory. Make the payment for the update service and then receive an acknowledgement slip with a 14-digit update request number. Keep it safe because you use it to track progress. Make sure the operator confirms the new number on the slip before you leave. Once done, use the update request number on your acknowledgement slip to track progress. Processing can take several days to a few weeks depending on workload. When the update is complete, verify your Aadhar details on the official portal or in the Aadhar app using your Aadhar number. If the mobile number still hasn't changed after the stated time frame, make sure the URN was entered correctly when tracking, contact the same center for clarification, or reapply with the original documents. Errors usually trace back to form or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.